Hello friends, how are you? Today we are going to start our SST Civic Chapter 5 Panchayati Raj. We all know what is Panchayat. Panchayat is a group of a person or people of the villages and leader that called Sarpanch, and the below Sarpanch there is Panch, and they both make Gram Sabha. So what is Gram Sabha? Gram Sabha is a meeting of all the persons in villages above the age of 18, that is called Gram Sabha, and in the Gram Sabha people discuss their problems and the problems of their villages. And in this chapter it is written that the villages of Hardas have three major problems, that are shortage of water, poor roads and BPL list. So first we discuss what is the problem of shortage of water. In that case, the people of Hardas said that in the shortage of water, the water come very slow and sometimes not come even. And how we can solve this problem? Some people said that in the nearly village we see that some sarpanches or panch dig the head pump pipe for longer term and deeply for the running water, and then some people said that we can make a water tank from the upper ground to the underground, so the water will come. But the serpent said we don't have that much money and we cannot do that, because if we have money we can do, but people do not help also in village, and we are the some people that are doing help, but not that much people are doing help. And the second problem is poor roads. In the village of Hardas there are really poor roads. They have really such poor road that some people cannot walk also. In some cases they don't have the cement road, they have only mud road. That is where in the time of rain some people's foot dig in that, and they cannot walk easily or properly. In that case the serpent said we don't have money and we can't purchase that expensive cements. Tell me another way that we can solve it. No one said that how we can solve it. And third problem is BPL list. You know what is BPL? BPL is BPL full form is below poverty line. Means that some people who are not getting the 28 rupees per month, that are under the BPL. And in the village of Hardas, the people who has big house, cars, anything they want, but they are also in BPL list. Some people said they have corrupted the list of BPL, and the serpent said yes, that is the problem, but the serpent said we can solve it. The serpent goes to a BPL list, who goes to every house and ask for their monthly income or annual income, that the person come. But when she goes to some houses, some people said they are not here, and write there in BPL list. So the teacher that write the list for BPL said that yes, that is not in the possible. So he given me the money and I written his name. So the person in the village who are rich are also in BPL. The teacher said yes, they are also in BPL because they have given me money, and said that write my name also in BPL, so I can get free rice, free food and free water, and I can make my own ration card. After that they have solved this problem BPL, and some people gone to their houses and some left there. And the Gram Sabha, the village is divided into each ward. Each ward has a panch. The panch is known for their justice and honesty. And now we are studying Zilla Parishad. What are the Zilla Parishad? Parishad are the also like a panchayat, but only the some people are allowed to come in Jila Parishad. So that is why it's called Jila Parishad. And what are the level of Panchayati Raj? First is Panchayat, second is Gram Sabha, and third is Jila Parishad. And what are the source of Panchayat? The source of Panchayat are the to collect the income tax of the people and do some making ration card for free rice, free wheat, free water, and etc. And what is the work that include in Gram Sabha or Panchayat, and what are the works of Gram Panchayat? So work that the Gram Panchayat has are construction work, some work that the worker cannot do, or the problems they can solve it, they solve, or the work that are running on roads, and some etc. like map a building or tell something that how it can be done or how it be possible. So all this in chapter, and the chapter ends. The next chapter is rural administration, so we will learn in another video. So please like this video if you like, subscribe, comment and share.